To apply formatting in KPI, we'll go to the edit menu of KPI, and here we can add filters in the KPI. So we want to filter by country, and in country we will type USA. So this will give us the sales value of USA. Now we can change the background color as well of the title. So here is the title. You can use an image within the So here we will use this working hours as an image. So this way you can set the position left or right. You can apply the status as well, or to change template, so the target versus achievement, or change the format. And in the target, you can set the target either as a dynamic, or you can set the target as static. And the static value, you can give the target as 2000, and you can see the achievement with this part. Save, and here you have created the KPI and applied the formatting to it.